everyone. It's Char from Char's Fashion Nation, back in the kitchen, because when I cook, it's not a fucking mess. I'm just gonna say it. So I got the real butter out. I'm about to put a little bit of that in the pan, in which somebody has nicked. We'll get past that. So as soon as I do that, I'm going to put in some onions and celery and some garlic. And then as soon as I get that going, I'll put in some chicken breast. I don't exactly know what I'm making today, but it's food in a pot. Okay, so I just put some tomato down in there, and I did put some balsamic vinegar in there. The Aldi still does not have the balsamic glaze, which is a disappointment. So now I'm just going to add that chicken. And when this is all done cooking and I figure out what starch I want in there with it, I will add the spinach. Okay, so what I decided is some instant rice in here with this. Perhaps, maybe. We just had potato the last couple of days. Or potato, and we just had pasta. So rice is always nice. Different nationalities use rice. Rice is very filling. And I will be putting some spinach in here in a bit. But y'all, this smells good. Okay, now that the rice is done, I'm actually going to put some jalapeno artichoke dip in, and then the Mexican style cheese, because that is a good blend of flavor. Now, there's nothing wrong with cooking with a dip. This actually brings out other flavor. This, my friends, is done. And meet you at the table. So, is it Rob approved?
Mm-hmm. Good.
And I decided not to put the spinach in it because I put the jalapeno artichoke in with some of that cheese. This is good. Wait for Steve's opinion. What you think? And it's Steve approved. So again, another healthy meal on a budget can make you stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I'm gonna eat. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.